rules in differentiation. So this topic is just a review on derivatives. So for today's video, I am going to tackle on how to differentiate a function. So first rule in differentiating is the constant rule. So we all know in rules in differentiation that derivative of a constant is always equal to 0. So that is a constant rule. So f of x is equal to c, then f prime of x is equal to 0. So the derivative of a constant is 0. So we should always remember that a derivative of a constant is always equal to 0. Like for example number 1. So if f of x is equal to 5, then f prime of x is equal to 0. So that is very basic. So next, let's proceed to the next rule in differentiating. Derivative of the power, or the power rule. So if f of x is equal to x raised to the power of n, when n is a real number, then if f prime of x is equal to n times x raised to the power of n minus 1. So according to the given formula, so it is simply state that the derivative of the power is the power times the base raised to the power minus 1. So like example number 1. So f of x is equal to x raised to 5. So we are going to find the derivative of x raised to 5. So according to the formula, so we are going to derive the power is the power times the base raised to the power minus 1. So f prime of x is just equal to 5x raised to 5 minus 1. So therefore the derivative of x raised to the power of 5 is just equal to 5x raised to the power of 2. So another example number 2 is we have the f of x is equal to x raised to the power of 3. So what we have to do is to move forward the power, which is 3. Then we are going to subtract 1 for the exponent. So therefore the answer is 3x squared. So the derivative of x cubed is just equal to 3x squared. So next we have the derivative